Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alaysia Shunice if you're new, and if you're not, thank you for coming back time and time again. I love to have you here. So in my last video, I told you guys that I'm moving. I'm currently living in Maryland. I go to American University, which is in DC, and I teach in Baltimore City. But I'm moving to DC because where I live currently is 45 minutes away from American, and for me that's a little bit too far for having night classes, and my classes are going to be in person in the fall. But when I posted that video, a lot of you were like, whoa, pump the brakes. Where's the tour of the current apartment? So I am going to take you on a tour and show you what my Maryland apartment looks like. And because I have a roommate, there are parts of the apartment that I'm not going to show just for privacy reasons, and I don't want to invade anyone's space. But like I told you in my previous video, I really love my apartment and where I live. There are some changes and things that I wanted to have made, specifically to like my bedroom. But I didn't want to spend too much money on this apartment knowing that I was going to move to DC, because I knew that I was going to move kind of like in January, February-ish, when American made the decision that they were really thinking about going back to being in person in the fall. And so I knew that where I live right now would have been a problem. But I'm gonna stop talking because you didn't come here to hear me talk. No, you came here to see my apartment. So let's get into the video, and I can't wait for you to see my apartment. Let's go. Okay friends, so when you walk inside, here we have our utility store, and that just stays locked. Then when you come next to it, there's a coat closet, and we kind of use the coat closet as a storage unit. And so here I have like some mirrors in here. I have been searching high and low for these mirrors, and I finally found them. I haven't used them because I'm using my room in a different type of way, but I really kept them for when I move. I have these mirrors here because my room was designed one way, and then I switched it, but I really love those circular mirrors. I got them from Target, so I wanted to keep them. And then behind there, my roommate has her luggage, and we also have some other picture frames. We have the vacuum box, which the vacuum came inside of, and then up top we have a blender box and empty boxes, which is what our Verizon cable and internet boxes came inside. And so we kept like the important boxes for when we move again and things like that. So just a storage unit, storage closet, kinda. And then when you come across, you get to see like an overview of what the apartment looks like. And so here we have like our island kitchen. And so my roommate bought these 4 chairs. I'm not too sure where she got them from. I think she may have got them from Wayfair, but they're super comfortable, really nice. And I like how it looks like with the 4 chairs, really nice. Then we have a dishwasher right here, and then we have like some cabinets. And so in the first cabinet, we kind of keep like the dishwasher soap in there. We also keep, they're like little pods. We also have like trash bags in there, nothing really too fancy. And then in the next one, we keep like our Aldi's bags in there. I have some like forks, plastic forks, cups, and spoons and stuff in there. And then up top, we have like larger utensils. And here is just a fruit bowl, and there were some flowers in there, but they died, so we cleaned that out. And then over here we have our stove, and so on this side is my roommate's, and then on this side, which all the junk and stuff, is my side. And so I just have my blender cup. I have my cup that I kind of fill up with water all the time, and then I have all my K-cups. I literally drink coffee more than I should admit, but I have caramel, vanilla, and graham. And then in here is just like my glass plates, cups, mugs, and as you can see, like my 2 mugs. I got that one as a gift when I started teaching, and then I got that one for myself from Urban Outfitters. And so up here we have just like some snacks and breakfast and stuff like that. And then I have like some, I'm just gonna cover my friend up for privacy reasons. But I have some different magnets. My mom went to Punta Cana, she got that. I went to London and got that. And when I went to the Equal Justice Initiative Museum, I got that as well. And let me turn back around. Over here is our washer and dryer. And so we have 2 full size, and they both sit on the ground facing each other. Nothing too fancy. And so when you come down this way, this is the side of the room. This is the side I'm not gonna show because that's my roommate's side and I don't wanna invade her privacy. But when you come here, we have our living space. And so the reason why we have one painting that's down here is because initially we bought this one first. My roommate bought this one and I bought that one. And so they don't stick on the wall. Like you would have to hang them. Usually you could like hang them on the wall with command strips, but they were not sticking at all. So this one is kind of just sitting on the back of the sofa, but we wanted to have both of them up next to each other. And when it's both up next to each other, it looks really cute, but they just wouldn't stay. So we were like, let's just give up and not even break them. But we have this little accent chair here, which I got from Wayfair. And then we have this sofa, which I also got from Wayfair. We have these cute mirrored end tables, and it also came with a coffee table. And my roommate got those from Wayfair as well as a 3-piece set. And then we have here this like this table lamp, and I got those 2 lamps from Ross. And so both of those lamps individually were $19.99 a piece. And so the paintings are from Burlington. And the throw pillows, I'm not sure what the pink throw pillow is from, but the beige ones are from Ross or Marshall's. And then when you come around here, we have our balcony, nothing fancy on there. I actually have my turtle tank that's out there, and I need to get rid of it. My turtle was growing way too big. Shelly, I miss her so much. She was growing way too big quickly, and I just didn't have the space for her, so I had to take her to the pet store. But I just never got rid of her tank because it's so heavy. But here we have a mirror, and I got this mirror from, and there's me. I got this mirror from Amazon. And then here I have TV, and my TV's a 60-inch TV, and we have a TV stand, and that's our Verizon boxes and stuff like that. The TV I got from Target on sale, and the TV stand I got from Wayfair. And so this is just an overview of the living room, and there I have some boxes that I'm trying to throw away. And here, this is what I use to carry all my stuff, like groceries and things like that. And so you see there's some stuff in there. I did a little bit of apartment shopping and bought some more like Tupperware and stuff like that. So that's what you see in there. And then I also bought large coloring books. Some of my students want that, and so we're doing a countdown, and for each day we have different activities, and so I bought that for them. But this is kind of what the kitchen looks like from this angle. And we're gonna go into my room next. Touch me, feeling so lovely, lovely. Make me wanna love me, make me feel lucky, lucky. Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time, just relax, yeah. So here's just like my hallway in front of my room, and so here I have some calendar boards just to remind me of things that I need to do, and clearly I need to update it because we are no longer in April. May is pretty much over. I still have April still up there. But this is where I keep my ring light and my tripod, and then I have some rain boots down there because it's been raining a lot lately, so those are some rain boots that I usually slip on. And here's my dirty clothes hamper. I keep it outside my door sometimes, only because it just doesn't go with the vibe of my room, because like I said before, it was one design at the beginning of the year, of our lease actually. It was one design at the beginning of our lease, and then I switched it up and it no longer matches, but I really like it's a good, but I really like the dirty clothes hamper, so I didn't want to get rid of it. And so going into my room, this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Nothing fancy. So when you first walk in, the first thing you'll see is my bed and then my desk. And on my desk, I just have like my iPad and my laptop. I got the monitor because we were teaching virtually, and so having the two screens allowed me to be able to show my lesson slides on one screen and be able to see all of my students on the other screen. And then under that, I have some Blu-ray glasses and my the ports for my chargers, and then I have my book that I'm currently reading, as well as some other books that I like to read, and my Starbucks cup. I actually saw my roommate with the Starbucks cup and I was like, oh, that is super cute. I definitely need to get one. So I got that. And then on my walls, I have different sticky notes, and so they are color coordinated. Yellow is related to work and personal life. Blue is schoolwork, and pink is just like important things that I definitely need to do. And then when you come here, I have this huge painting that's just sitting on top of my bed. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. And the reason is because I'm just not really, like, I don't like my bed frame, because originally my bedroom was a very bohemian look, but then I switched it up to more of like a luxe look, but I never changed my bed. And so like this beige color with the gray, white, and black is really messing with my brain. So that's why I just haven't hung up my painting, but I definitely plan to hang it up when I move. And so on my bed, I got these two decorative pillows from Marshall's. Actually, I got them in the kids section. So in the kids section, they have some really cute stuff. You should check it out. But I got them from the kids section in actually in Home Goods. It was in Home Goods. And then I got the sequence pillow from Amazon. This comforter set is from Marshall's. And over here, I have my dresser, and I have these two floor lamps, which I absolutely adore. My two floor lamps are from Home Goods. I have a candle that's burning, and my LSAT study book with my Apple Watch. I have two books by the Obamas. One is Promised Land and Becoming. What is belonging? Becoming. I got this flower holder from Amazon, and I also got the flowers from Amazon as well. Then I have my TV, and I have this cute little purse that I got from Zara. And then these two books are by Nelson Mandela, and I also have the same thing that's on the other side. And then here we have this super large mirror. Y'all, I have been searching everywhere for this mirror. I don't remember where I saw it. I saw it somewhere, and I just knew I needed to have this mirror. This mirror is super huge, and I kept seeing it in different places, but the pricing was outrageous. I was like, I'm not paying over $300 for this mirror. But I found it at Home Goods for half the price of what I was seeing before, and I just knew I had to get it. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna fit in my car, but I knew I had to get it. And I think we even had to take it out of the box for it to fit in my car. Next to my mirror is this little rack, this clothing rack lady, which I thought was super cute. She pulls together the whole glam look that I was going for. And usually there's nothing on her, but because it's been raining a lot, and because I'm leaving the house every morning to go teach, I keep my everyday purse on there and a jacket that I can throw on. And then beside my bed, I have this bench, and on the bench is my purse, some blankets, and I just traveled recently, so I have my duffel bag over there. And then next to my bed on the other side, I have my book holder, my bookcase. And so I have not all, but most of my books that are over here. Here are a lot of like educational books that I read, or books that kind of are policy related and things like that. But then you also see like relationship goals in there. I don't know. But here are more of books that are just for pleasure. So like The Vanishing Half, which is really good, would recommend. Where the Crawdads Sing. Then you have like Grit and some professional development books. And then I have my glasses, my watch, my jewelry all sits in that Pandora bag. And I have some perfume up here. I like to collect magazines from like historical time periods. So 2020 was definitely a historical time period. So I have the Time Special Edition. Then I also have when Kamala and Joe won, and then I have another one that's specifically on Kamala. And then here I have my degree, and I have just like a jewelry holder and my perfume and things like that. And this is my room. So in my room is my bathroom, and so my bathroom is really simple. Nothing fancy really. I just have like lotions and Listerine over here, soap, face wash. This is kind of pretty much everything that I use in the morning, like face wash, daily perfumes, things like that. Ponytail holder for when I'm in the shower. Here I have my speaker that I use, my big thing of gel, because I'm usually just throwing my hair in a ponytail. And then over here I have lots of candles, soap, skincare. I have my Marc Jacobs perfume. I have a wig holder up there. I'm not sure where the wig is, but and then I just have my shower, and behind there I have paper towel, toilet paper, and towels that sit up top, and my shower cap. And that's pretty much it in my bathroom. And so on the other side of my bathroom is my closet. I'm not going to show you my closet. I may just show you like the top part of my closet. So on the other side of my bathroom is my closet, and yes, my closet is a mess right now, y'all. I'm moving, and I started like putting away and gathering some of my clothes. So that's why it's literally looking a hot, janky mess right now, but it doesn't always look like this, I promise. But up top I just have like some of my shoes, and there are shoes in those shoe boxes. And then I have more shoes that are over here, and I have my clothes, a lot of my dresses that hang up. I have my pants and my jackets and shirts right there, and then under that I have another pair of shoes, and which I think are some winter boots. And then here I have like little pieces of clothes that I didn't have anywhere to put them because I don't have any dresser space anymore. And over here under my little rack thing, those are just t-shirts that people have left when they come over and forgot to take with them. Okay friends, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted to show you my space and where I live. And like I said, I really love where I live right now. It's super comfortable, super homey, lots of space, and yeah. In my next video, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take you shopping with me for my new apartment because I need to go to IKEA and Z Gallery. I did not know that there was a Z Gallery here, so I'm very much excited to go there. So I'm gonna take you with me while I go shopping. And then I'm gonna show you my empty apartment tour because I move into my apartment in 2 weeks and I'm so excited. Bye.